MFI testing like a pro. Plastics are everywhere, from packaging to automotive part. But how do manufacturers ensure the quality and the consistency of these materials? The answer lies in the understanding of melt flow index. At Testronix Instruments, we provide precision MFI testers to help industries maintain material quality. In this video, we will explain what MFI is and why it is important, and how our instruments simplify the testing process. The melt flow index measures how easily a plastic polymer flows when melted. It indicates the material's viscosity and processability, which is critical for injection molding, extrusion, and quality control. A higher MFI means the material flows easily, while a lower MFI indicates higher viscosity. Industries rely on MFI testing to ensure batch consistency and optimal processing conditions. Inconsistent MFI values can lead to manufacturing defects, weak parts, uneven thickness, or poor mold filling. By testing MFI, manufacturers can ensure material consistency, optimize production parameters, reduce wastes and defects. Now we will see the step-by-step demo of the Testronix MFI testers. First, the polymer or granules are loaded into the heated barrel. The material is now melted at a controlled temperature and a piston applies force to extrude it through a die. The extruded is collected and weighted. The MFI value is calculated in gram per 10 minutes. Testronix MFI testers has a precision controlled temperature, user-friendly interface, and compliance with the international and national standards. From plastic packaging to medical devices, MFI testing ensures reliability. Whether you are a polymer manufacturer or a quality control lab, Testronix Instruments delivers accurate, repeatable results. Ready to enhance your material testing process? Visit testronixinstruments.com today to explore our range of MFI testers and request a demo.